everybody, it's Claire Paris with Paris Group Realty LLC in Portland, Oregon. And this is for you sellers. What is that show on the HGTV? It's Fix It or Flip It? Or no, it's not that one. It's It or List It. That's what it is. So we're going to do our own edition of Love It or List It. So here's my question to you. Do you stay and remodel, or do you remodel it a little bit to be able to sell it? Now, in this instance today, what we're talking about is minor remodels that will help you increase your net proceeds on sale. So 3 top things that you can do that are relatively easy to do and will give you a good return, at least 100% or more, is a minor bathroom remodel, a minor kitchen remodel, or some landscaping. You know, landscaping is not that easy, especially if you want it to be like established, but those cute little petunias are going to make it look a little brighter, and some bulbs you can throw in the front yard are really going to help. So those will help, and obviously very low cost. On the bathroom and kitchen side, painting your cabinets, changing out the hardware, the pulls on all of your cabinets, or even ideally replacing the countertop. All of those things are going to give you a lot of bang for your buck. If you need references for people that can do that, obviously I have vetted contractors to help with that. So reach out. We'd be happy to help. We'll see you on our next episode. Take care.